Welcome to CAD Concepts. Stop memorizing commands. Build your systems. Now imagine this expanded feature. Dimension, text, hatch, layers, colors. 30 production list routine at one place, structured into one intelligent control panel. If you want to learn how to make this type of powerful DCL panel without any coding, without any programming experience, then Smart AutoCAD AI-powered workflow will help you how to make your first working list, how to make your complete list system, structured software in AutoCAD the way you want. Must check out the link below. In this tutorial, we will explore 20 block automation list routine in one DCL panel without any shortcut. So, without wasting time, let's begin. If you see here, block LISP, just pick, drag and drop here. Maximize your AutoCAD and let this triple B the short key for your DCL. You are getting complete box, total LISP function, quick block, create block, block insert, change base point. Let this rename blocks. Okay, click here and select your blocks. So these block got selected. Now enter one time, you will get bulk rename blocks. Okay, and old name, new name. Just input new name here entirely. All blocks successfully renamed. Just check one time. If you see here, your selected block got perfectly renamed in one time. Same as it is this box we are getting here. Let this change base block color quickly. Okay, select all the block. And now hit enter. You will get box, your color box. Choose your block colors here. Okay, see what happened exactly. If you select one block, same block will be changed entirely, its color. Same again, different color. Now you see here. And let this delete block. Okay. Click on delete block and type your block name. You will type block name. So that block will be deleted. Let this again BED bed. So block you want to delete by name. Just type name and it will delete. If you see here, let this count block and click here. See, you do not require to select block. It will count entirely. Let this block list, select all and enter. You will get complete block inventory. If you see here, total counts by name, quantity and total blocks. Now you want to explode block without any selection, entire drawing. Now there is no any available block in this drawing. Why? Because it got exploded even without any selection. So we have arranged complete one structured powerful list routine block automation in one panel. If you want to make your own LISP system, complete structured panel that work the way you want, without any coding, without any programming experience, then Smart AutoCAD AI powered workflow will help you how to make your first working list, how to make your complete LISP system, structured software in AutoCAD the way you want. Must check out the link below. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.